All right, we got gold continuing to try to creep higher, but so far it continues to have a pretty tough time stuck around yesterday's price range. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So we have gold in a clear uptrend. We had a breakout of this symmetrical triangle pattern, a nice sharp breakout that also took out these two top channel lines, and as well, of course, as the trigger was this the top boundary line of the symmetrical triangle. But strength has not been confirmed with the rally above this, with the sustained rally above this lower swing high here of 42.45 and part of the symmetrical triangle structure. So some traders may wait for that breakout in order to consider this to be an acceptable symmetrical triangle breakout. But an earlier trigger is given on the breakout of this trend line. Key support near term is the 10 moving average, currently at 4,160. It's soon to converge with yesterday's low of 4,164, which remains the key near-term support along with the 10 moving average. And when the 10 moving average gets above yesterday's low, then it will take precedence. You can see that it was reclaimed back here on November 24th, and there's been no pullback that has actually reached it yet. So that could certainly occur before momentum starts to pick up again. And I'll be watching for that, the timing mechanism, the timing component of it. And that means we could see sideways movement through the end of this week, possibly. The first initial target zone is up here, 4,356, which is just a measured move. This current rise matches the first rise, but if so, that's a potential resistance zone. It could lead to a pullback or some consolidation. If this 4,381 is going to be taken out, I think we have to see some clear signs of stronger bullish momentum on the way to that price target. If we don't, by the time we reach this first target, then I think we chop around and pull back a bit, as we should see some momentum on a breakout of a symmetrical triangle. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.